Una good morning, all of una wey dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens Devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Monday, 4th of March 2024, and our topic for today na your right hand man, verse 3. Our memory verse dey for 1 Samuel chapter 22 verse 2, and e talk say those wey dey face trouble or wey dey owe person or wey no get wetin to do dey come gather follow David, and e come dey lead dem. Our Bible reading dey for 2 Samuel chapter 23 verse 8 to 23, and e talk say dis na David soldiers wey get power well well. The first one na Josheb-Basshebet wey come from Takemon, and na him be the leader for the three. He fight with 800 men and he kill them for one war. The second one for the three wey get power na Eleazar wey be Dodo pikin from Ahohi family. One day, he and David challenge Philistia people wey gather for war. Even when Israel people run go back, he stand fight till him hand begin dey pain am. Him sword come gum him hand. God give them victory that day. When Israel people go meet Eleazar after the fight, the only thing wey remain for them to do na to collect all the things wey Philistia soldiers die leave. The third one for the three wey get power na Shammah wey be Agi pikin wey come from Ara. When Philistia people gather for Lehi where dem plant groundnut put, Israel people run from them, but Shammah no run. He stand fight them and he come kill all of them. God give them victory that day. When the time to harvest don reach, 3 of the 30 come go Adullam cave where David dey, and many Philistia people camp for river valley. That time, David dey hungry for water, so he come say, how I wish say somebody fit bring water come give me, may I drink for the well wey dey near the gate for Bethlehem. The 3 soldiers wey get power well well, they come force theirself pass Philistia people camp, and they draw water for the well come give David. But he no gree drink am. Instead, he pour am as offering for God. He come say, Baba God, I no fit drink this water. E go be like say I dey drink these people blood wey risk their life. So he no gree drink am. Joab brother Abishai wey their mama na Zeruiah, na leader for the 3. He use his spear take fight against 300 men, come kill them, and him name dey famous among the 3. Na him dem know pass among the 30, and he be their leader, but he no dey popular reach the 3. Benaiah wey be Jehoiada pikin wey come from Kabzeel na another popular soldier. He do many strong things, come kill 2 men among Moab strong soldiers. One day, he still waka enter one pit go kill lion. One day, Benaiah attack one Egypt man wey tall well well, and the man hold spear for him hand. Na so Benaiah use the man spear take kill am. That's na some of the things wey Benaiah wey be one among the 30 do. He get power well well, but he no popular reach the 3. David make am leader among the bodyguards. Now the message. When David be dey that cave wey him name na Adullam, he get some right hand men wey their name na mighty men of David. For 2 Samuel chapter 23 verse 16, dem risk their life to go bring water for David when he really wan drink water. Although dem be area boys before David meet them, but under David leadership, they come become brave and bold men, and David come give them high position for him army. Ahithophel na also David right hand man, and for Psalm chapter 41 verse 9, Bible tell us say he sit down for David's table. If God give you right hand men, you must honor them. No look down on them. Joseph na Pharaoh right hand man. When Joseph bring the people come Egypt, Pharaoh give them Goshen area, the best part for the land, make them stay for there. People wey great don know say to become successful, they need to honor and take care of their right hand men. You need to show your right hand men say as dem dey committed to you, na so you yourself dey committed to them. Some time ago, e no too tey, e get one of my friends wey call me for midnight. He come talk say, "Daddy, I get problem o." He tell me the problem and we end the call. E no too tey, I come call my driver. We come comot for house. After 1 hour, when I call my friend, he be think say I call am to tell am say I still dey pray for am. But wetin he hear na, abeg tell dem make dem allow me pass the gate. E shock am well well to see me, but I tell am wetin friends dey do na. Anytime wey I need am, he dey always run come meet me. Now when he need me, I run go meet am too. If some people show commitment for you, you go also need to show the same commitment to them o. Plenty people don lose their right hand men because dem no honor them. Anytime wey e dey possible, I dey always dey arrange my plan so I go fit dey go birthday celebration of those people wey God don put for my life as my right hand men. You fit no know am, but that person who dey very committed to you, dem fit don abuse am or mock am because of you. E go don get some time wey you fit no know say you don offend this person, and e come hold am for body because e dey committed to help you take achieve your vision. To pay them back, anytime wey you get the opportunity, you need to show your right hand men your commitment too. That one go really encourage them well well. The action to take for today message be say, carry your phone now, then call that person wey be your right hand man, make you encourage am. You fit still buy gifts for am, take appreciate am well well. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
We should never be discouraged.